printing operation on the PCB has been printed by solder paste. And then, the component will place on the board using pick and place machine. Hollow nozzle use vacuum to pick up parts and then place them into the solder paste on the board. These are 6 head machine, each head pick up 6 parts, place them and goes back for more. That red flash in the machine vision system. With each flash it takes a picture of the part and use that information to rotate and translate each nozzle so that every part is perfectly aligned to its path on the board within microns.
In type M poly bottom, the series of pick and place machine is Samsung SM41 with this specification. Let's start to operate this machine.
Before starting, set up pick and place machine. Prepare the feeder first. Feeder is holder component that will be put on the PCB. And then turn on the machine by switching the button and turn on the pressure. Machine is on. Click menu based on the video and input the password. Make sure the machine is humming by following the video. Next, click board and fill the customer name, board name and board size. Don't forget to measure the length and width of the PCB. PCB and define the origin of PCB. It is the angel of PCB. Using the remote to control gain rate to the angel of PCB. Sub-menu fiducial map to define the fiducial of PCB using the remote. Make sure the fiducial is accurate and then update. data in part menu before. Then click Step menu to define the component's position